Hello everyone. Welcome to Careers 360. So, are you preparing for JEE Mains 2026? I've got some exciting news for you. We at Careers 360 are offering you the free mock test in order to help you boost your preparation and get exam ready. So over here, you can just have a look onto this particular interface, the link of which will be provided to you in the description box. Click on that particular link and this particular page will be opening up, wherein we'll be giving you the free mock test. Okay, you need to just fill in your details and click on Start Test Now button. Once you will be clicking on it, you'll be redirected to a page wherein you need to attempt the JEE Mains free mock test. Okay, so this is a walkthrough that I'll be giving you to the interface, the dashboard of the mock test we at Careers 360 are providing to you. You need to click on the attempt button. Once you'll click on that attempt button, this particular interface is going to open up, wherein you need to read the instructions carefully. Each and everything over here in this particular mock test is similar to what you will be attempting in your JEE Mains 2026 examination. I'm talking about the interface and the platform that we are providing to you over here. You need to just read the instructions carefully and click on the proceed button. Once you click on the proceed button, you will be redirected to this particular examination page. That means your paper basically. Subject wise, physics, maths and chemistry. Herein you can have a look. This is the physics section, mathematics section and the chemistry section over here. You need to read the question. Okay. Select your right answer. Fine. And what you have to do? Save and next. Move on to the next question. Dear ones, please make sure that you save your answer. Otherwise, it will not be actually recorded. Okay, there can be a miss happening. Now, talking about the next question. Chlorine on reaction with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide gives. The right answer to this particular question is that chlorine, when reacted with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide, it produces sodium chloride, okay, and sodium chlorate. Okay, so accordingly, if I just talk about the ions, it's sodium chloride NaCl and sodium chlorate NaClO3. So option number 4 is the right answer to the question mentioned over here. What I'm going to do is I'll actually click on save and next button. So I have done it. My answer has been saved now. Okay, dear ones, let's now talk about the numerical type questions. If I just move on to the numerical type questions, what I'm going to talk about is have a look. So over here, I'm on to the numerical type of the question. On the numerical type of the question, you will be actually provided a particular space wherein you need to just put in your answer, that you need to just type your answer. An open vessel at 27 degrees Celsius is heated until 2/5 of the air assumed as an ideal gas in it has escaped from the vessel. Assuming that the volume of the vessel remains constant, the temperature at which the vessel has been heated is in Kelvin. So you will be calculating this answer. Whatever the answer comes up, you need to type it up over here. Clear, people? So now, since assume that you have completed your whole paper, you will be clicking on the submit button. Let me show you the submit button over here. This is the submit button over here. Click on this particular submit button. Okay. You'll say yes over here. That's absolutely fine. Over here, after you have click on the submit button, you will get the personalized JEE Mains analysis report. Okay. So how many questions you have attempted, the questions you skipped, the correct marked, the incorrect one. Over here, the detailed analysis of the questions that you have attempted will be shown to you. The score analysis, section wise time spent, okay, the question type. One more important thing. For each and every question, we at Careers 360 are providing you the full solution also. So over here, view the complete answer with the solution. I've clicked on it. Okay. So you can just have a look for the physics, mathematics and chemistry. So over here, the full solution will be given to you. So it's absolutely very much good for you people in order to attempt the mock test, the free mock test that we at Careers 360 are providing to you. Over here, it's only the one mock test that we are providing to you people. But if you want to practice more, then we do have 10 free mock tests for you people for your coming JEE Mains 2026 examination. The link of which will be provided to you in the description box. Again, when you click that particular link, this particular interface will be shown to you. Okay, you need to just fill in your details. You just need to fill in your details and start the test now. Once you click on this button, you will be redirected to this particular page wherein the 10 free mock tests will be provided to you. Herein, have a look. JMain mock test 1, 2, 3. Okay, there will be more of it. Yeah, herein you can have a look. So the total of 10 mock tests, the free 10 mock tests has been provided to you. Remember that these mock tests, they are going to actually end on 15th of January till 6 p.m. So you have that particular time. Why not to avail this opportunity of attempting free 10 mock tests before your JEE Mains 2026? Because mock tests actually make you realize where are your weaknesses and what are your strengths, so that you can just recover your weaknesses, isn't it? Yes, people. Also, we do have the ebooks for JEE Mains 2026, wherein we do have 10 full mock tests and their explanation in the PDF form, the link of which will be provided to you in the description box. You need to just click it up and you'll be redirected to this particular interface wherein you need to click on this free download button. After you click onto the free download button, you will be redirected to a page wherein you need to fill your details and access to the PDF of these 10 full mock tests basically with full explanation. We do have one more ebook which is going to help you out nicely for your coming JEE Mains examination, which is going to boost up your preparation, and that is the JEE Mains previous year 10 years questions with detailed solutions. Why not to avail this opportunity if you are getting all of these things free of cost? The link of this will also be provided to you in the description box. So dear ones and my dear JEE aspirants, don't miss this opportunity. Click the link below, take your free mock test today and give your JEE Main preparation the edge it deserves. All the very best.